Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make strawberry banana frozen yogurt without an ice cream maker. Just 4 ingredients gives you a creamy and healthy frozen yogurt you can make at home. We'll need 2 cups or 475 milliliters of plain whole milk yogurt. You can use a low-fat yogurt, but it will take longer to freeze. Also, low-fat yogurt has more water, which will give you an icier consistency in the frozen yogurt. If you want a nice creamy frozen yogurt, use the thickest yogurt you can find. A 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar. This will give you a sweet frozen yogurt similar to the sweetness in ice cream. Sugar also adds to the body and thickness of the frozen yogurt. You can reduce it for a healthier option. I'm using 2 frozen bananas broken up into pieces and 8 ounces or 225 grams of frozen strawberries. You'll need a blender for this recipe. Put the yogurt in, bananas, strawberries, and sugar. Since there's a lot of frozen fruit, I will use a tamper while blending. Depending on your blender, you may have to stop and stir a few times. That looks good. Taste and add more sugar if you like and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a container. I'm using a metal loaf pan. Even out the top and cover the container. Put it in the freezer. After an hour, the sides are getting frozen. Stir it into the middle. Cover and put back in the freezer. Check after an hour or 2 and stir again. You will have to stir it up about 3 times in total. Then freeze until the yogurt is set. I made this last night and left it in the freezer overnight. It was of course very hard when I took it out of the freezer. That's because I didn't use an ice cream maker and didn't add fat like heavy cream. I left it on the counter for a few minutes and now it's a scoopable consistency. You can see it scoops beautifully. This frozen yogurt has the perfect amount of sweetness. It tastes like ice cream, but with a little tang of the yogurt. Using only 4 ingredients and no machine, you could make your own ice-cold dessert without any artificial ingredients. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.